Hi, I'm Emma and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan. I love all things crafty, creative and fun. And today I'm going to show you how to make some spring tin can pots. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You'll need empty tin cans, primer spray, white, pale pink, pale yellow craft paint, pale pink card, pom-poms, googly eyes, pipe cleaners, yellow feathers, strong glue, a selection of felt, pencil, scissors, paintbrush and the template. First, apply a coat of primer to the surface of each of the empty tin cans and leave them to dry. Next, paint the primed tin cans in pale pink for the bunny, yellow for the chick, white for the lamb. Leave these to touch dry before applying a second coat of paint. Use the templates to cut out the bunny ears and feet in pale pink card and bright pink felt. Then glue the pieces to the pink painted tin can, along with some white pipe cleaner whiskers, a pair of googly eyes and a pom-pom tail. To create your lamb, use a template to cut out a black felt head and a strip of white scalloped felt hair. Glue these to the white painted tin can. Add a pair of googly eyes and a few pom-poms. Now it's time to create the chick. First, cut out the yellow felt triangle beak from the template and some feet and then glue onto the yellow tin can. Stick some googly eyes above the beak and finally add some yellow feathers for wings. Your cute tin can animals are now ready to add a touch of spring to your home.